Attribute error, underscore socket object has no attribute, set underscore text underscore host underscore name. In Python, on a Ubuntu server, I am trying to get the requests library to make HTTPS requests, like so. At first, I got the following. Break time equals 1s/break insecure platform warning, a true SL context object is not available. This prevents erlib3 from configuring SSL appropriately and may cause certain SSL connections to fail. For more information, see this URL. After following the advice in this question, insecure platform warning, a true SL context object is not available. This prevents erlib3 from configuring SSL appropriately. I have now upgraded my warning to the following error. Attribute error, underscore socket object has no attribute, set underscore text underscore host underscore name. How do I fix this?
The fix for me was the following.
This was able to get the Python working on Ubuntu 1.2.04.3 LTS for me.
On Red Hat.
Hypnotic Puzzle2